Yeah. Hi, thank you for inviting me over.
Right?
Yes.
See, I got my little thing right here where you do the
nice.
thing. I don't do none of that thing. See?
Okay, got it.
I haven't watched. Do you see this little thing?
What is that?
It's a workout. You had to like do both motions. Like you had to shake and twist. I have some wine bottles over here that'll help you concentrate more when you drink some of this and then you do the shake and twist. The workout.
Got it.
No,
you gonna make me a drink?
You need some ice?
Yes. Thanks.
So I'm gonna give you a mojito.
Actually, put this in there. I prefer lime with my
Well, you got a
alcohol.
You got a mojito right here.
This is for me?
Yes, that is all for you. Look at that drink. Damn.
I love holding things I can juggle that feel kind of...
For my dining room, I'm sorry, like I got this cute little table with the mahogany wood.
Oh.
See these roses? They're not cheap.
Okay.
Sling your thing.
Yeah.
Sit down, do your thing.
I love the aesthetics.
Bling bling. I got my beautiful little couch right here. You know, you got this little beautiful scene in the background. You get good lighting.
Yes. How much was that?
A lot.
Hi, I'm featuring in this video. Oh my god, I'm gonna be famous. Yes. Okay. Hi, Joe. Have you started any new movies lately? I know. I heard you were in. I heard you were. I'm sorry for interrupting. Who are these people?
These are just some of my workers, guys. I'm sorry.
Love how you have like the nature on the inside of your house.
You know, you put soil on the wall.
Dude, I'm in the middle of something.
And this is like my backups because sometimes my dog will pee on the couch. And I just tell them, you know, pick out whatever you think's cute. You think I will like, you know.
Excuse my other cameraman back there. He's getting in every shot I take.
I don't get paid enough for this shit. I don't know where the fuck we're at, dog. We're somewhere in my house. Workspace right here. My planting area.
Can I have some of these? The vegetarian options.
They should be ready now.
I really appreciate that so much.
Whatever you want them to be.
Oh.
This is my little outside area where you
Is this your patio?
I have a little patio for my cute little penthouse.
Nice.
You know, I sit out here, read my morning newspaper, drink my juice. I sit with my cats and my dog.
Do you ever get licked on your patio?
We can't talk about that. That's some personal information. I got my cute little things down here. They hold all my DVDs and whatnot. You know, my Xbox is right there.
Porn.
Oh, look, you like my little chair sling thing? Where you can sit down and cha-ching.
Yes.
So bling.
I think you showed me this.
Rings my line. Did I?
Yeah.
I thought so.
I want a picture of someone else.
Alan, I'm in the middle of a video.
But look, this is a perfect picture.
This is my new bedroom, guys. I come here with all the Houston gays and
This is me sitting like in here, like this.
I haven't finished moving in all my stuff, so I have stuff in all my other rooms too. They're kind of just cluttered in boxes.
But you have a lot of mirrors.
Yeah, I like to look at myself from all different angles.
Yeah, I could tell.
I'd be like this, and then...
Oh.
Let's go already.
I don't know.
See, then I said all the snacks.
You have all the snacks too?
Oh my god.
Joe, can I have like whatever I want?
Yeah, grab it.
Joe has it made, Alan. Joe has everything.
Out, make sure you tell Nathaniel that I said it's on the house.
Can you give me one of those? Alan,
No,
Joe
you're
said we can help ourselves to any of the candy that we want. Ow. So go ahead and help yourself. Get some of these. Can we get something to drink still or no? Yeah? Joe, give me. You got me.
Can I get 2 ices?
Yes.
Will that be it?
They have ice cream cones.
What is that?
Okay, that syrup is fine. Joe has everything in his house that you would need. So what is your famous concoction?
I get the cherry blue raspberry.
I'm gonna try this one here. How's this one?
You didn't even try it yet.
You like how it squirts out?
I love it when it squirts out.
Wow, this is really good.
Is it?
Yeah. Can I always come back and get a free iced tea?
Yeah, just bring your cup for a refill.
Hey, there's Alan.
I should have told Alan it was on the hot.